Hello guys! We are still featuring the Tokyo Station First Avenue, but this time we are going to check the food sections. If you are a fan of cooking, baking, or simply eating, you will surely enjoy what we are going to see. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! With around 100 shops and restaurants, First Avenue Tokyo Station has enough to keep you occupied and satisfied for an hours on end. Your only problem is deciding where and what to eat for lunch here. The famous land of the rising sun is known for so many things, it's hard to even mention them all. One thing you will love in Japan is food. If you are among those who like to experience food when you travel to another country, then check out this Japanese food. Japanese cuisine includes a great variety of dishes, and little by little, they are becoming known in Western countries. Many people are discovering that there is much more than sushi and ramen. If you are one of those, I invite you to get to know about Japanese cakes. Many of Japanese cakes have a foreign origin. Its influence came to Japan just in the last few centuries, as it was not until after the Edo period that the country opened its frontiers internationally. But throughout this time, Japan has been adopting these cakes and have changed them in their own way. Now, let's check some food at the gift shop. Thank you for watching guys. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.